Despite his strong standing in Pulse Asia's December 2020 presidential election survey, Manila Mayor Isko Moreno will not run for president in 2022. Moreno doesn't want to be distracted on his focus on Manila amid the COVID-19 pandemic. Moreno ranked third place in the Pulse Asia poll. Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte topped the survey. Moreno is grateful to those who chose him. The mayor, however, said managing the COVID-19 pandemic is his top priority.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.